To MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Beautiful Arctic white, black interior. It's got the fabulous big up left seats. I love those seats. They're awesome, very comfortable. Let's go to the trunk and have a look in here. Obviously it's got a tan top as you see it there. I'll put it up for you in a minute. Lots of room in the trunk. It still will hold 2 sets of golf clubs. It's got onboard storage compartments in there and in there. Have a look in the frames here. Just a beautiful car, really gorgeous. Drives great, it's just awesome. So have a look at the back here. Nice quadruport exhaust, the beautiful round tail lights that look so awesome, such a classic look. It's got the Corvette emblems added there. Nice looking brand new Michelin tires. The wheels are in great shape, nice 5-spoke wheels. Painted rotors, painted calipers. Again, brand new Michelin tires. Have a look inside here. It's got a power seat with multifunctional adjustments for the passenger side here. So good looking seats, very comfortable. Have a look in the door frames here as I climb in to see, yes, the books are here. So we've got books right there for our 2012. And here are the codes for the car. If you want to read the codes, there they are. So nice looking car, super clean and tidy. Of course, no accidents. Everything closes tight, beautiful, just fabulous. Here's your front rim, no curb rash, nice 5-spoke wheel. It's got the painted rotors, painted calipers, awesome. Under the hood, the LS3, 430 horsepower, which is just fabulous to run with a 6-speed manual. And you can see it's in fabulous condition, just beautiful. The hood mat is in great shape, no worries there. And you can see down here, there's just no corrosion. It is just really a well-loved car, just beautiful. So have a look at the front here. I love that they've done the white headlights on this with the white car rather than the black headlights. I like that better. It's got the stripes on it. Now I'm going to say that these stripes have been added and they're flat black. They can be removed if you're the guy that says, hey, I don't like that stripe. Don't worry about it, we'll pull it off for you. Polish the car again and it'll be awesome, ready to go. That's a lot easier than putting the stripe on. So here's the other front wheel, looking fabulous, no curb rash, brand new rubber, and those are Michelin tires, which just handle beautifully. Painted rotors, painted calipers, gorgeous. And here's the other wheel right here, same thing, looking fabulous. So on the driver's door here, we've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt wheel, the fabulous leather wrapped steering wheel, the seats in really great shape there, just a beauty. 6-way power seat there with recliner. And let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Nice. We've got steering wheel controls here, the tilt wheel, of course. We've got 60,430 kilometers on it. And here's our AM/FM stereo with 7 speakers. We've got dual zone automatic air conditioning so that one side can be different than the other. And we just set it to automatic and it'll do exactly what we need it to do. The ashtray and cigarette lighter are there. And if we look in here, we've got a nice cup holder, nice and clean. 6-speed manual transmission, traction control off there. A power outlet for plugging in your phone in the glove box, which is awesome. And Corvette logo on the dash, which was an added feature. This one is equipped with a compass and OnStar in the rear view mirror. And wow, it just runs beautiful. Makes no noises, just gorgeous. Have a look in the door frame there as I'm getting out. I'm going to show you how we're going to put the top up, which is push this button after we put on the emergency brake. There we go, push this button and we lift that up. And then the top comes up like so. And I'm just going to need probably my other hand, just a sec, to go like that. And then the waterfall closes. This closes like so. That goes down, and I'll just show you up here. There's one switch, just turn, and that's it, it's locked. So we'll put the windows up. Really nice, tidy car, man. That is gorgeous. And there you have it with the roof up, looking fabulous. Good looking car. Nice, clean, straight, tidy, beautiful. Hear that nice chug? That's fabulous. Sounds great. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette. That's a 1LT with brand new Michelin tires. Nice looking stripes on it, beautiful tan top, which keeps you nice and cool in the summer. Against that white, it is a gorgeous look. Cashmere, I believe, is the color. And here it is available at munromotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.